friends, welcome back. This is Kalandar and welcome back to the channel. And today we are going to Ponda city. On the way, we are going to visit two of the historical places in Ponda city. So let's start the journey today. Bye. Hi guys, so we've reached Lotlim Junction and we will be taking the route to Ponda here. Welcome back. This is me Kalandar and my wife Sadia here. So we're on our way. We're halfway there to Ponda, and once we reach there, see you there. Bye bye. So guys, now from Lotlim to we are going from Lotlim to Ponda. We are reaching the Borim Bridge. So now we exit Lotlim, and this is the famous Borim Bridge, which is famous for lots of suicides. That's why you see both these barricades put both sides. It's not a very smooth bridge because you can see lots of potholes here, but great view out there, clear roads for us. बहुत ही मज़ा आ रहा है. So the right road goes to Belgaum, but we are going to Ponda, so we take the left turn and here we go. This is a 16th century fort built by Adil Shah. So we'll go inside and check it out. I just parked my bike before that. Okay. So dosto, we've reached our destination, the Shivaji Maharaj Fort in Ponda. This was also known as Ponda Fort before. You can see this is the entrance. So the story of this fort is that it was built by Adil Shah when Adil Shah was ruling this city called Ponda. So this was called Ponda Fort back then.
हे गाइस, कैसे हैं सब लोग. जैसे कि इन्होंने बताया कि ये फोर्ट जो है वो आदिल शाह ने बनाया हुआ था. हाँ, कुछ अरसे बाद यहाँ पर जंग हुई थी. शिवाजी महाराज ने अटैक किया था इस फोर्ट पे. फिर जंग जीतने के बाद ये पूरा फोर्ट जो था वो शिवाजी महाराज के ही कंट्रोल में था. कुछ अरसे बाद जब शिवाजी महाराज की मौत हो गई तब ये पूरा जो प्रॉपर्टी नहीं. ये पूरा किला उनके बेटे संभाजी महाराज ने ये उनका पूरा किला संभाजी महाराज ने संभाला, उनके कंट्रोल में आ गया. और कुछ दिनों के बाद
सिर्फ फोर्ट नहीं, पूरा मराठा एम्पायर संभाजी महाराज
कुछ दिनों के बाद जब संभाजी महाराज महाराष्ट्र चले गए तभी पोर्चुगल जनरल ने यहाँ पे आके वापस से अटैक किया. फिर ये जो फोर्ट है वो पोर्चुगल के पास चला गया. फिर जब संभाजी महाराज को पता चला कि ये फोर्ट तो उनके हाथ से जा चुका है, वो फ़ौरन महाराष्ट्र से गोवा आ गए. बट यहाँ पे नहीं आए, बिचोलिम में गए, जिसे अभी हम बिचोलिम कहते हैं. वहाँ पे जाके औरंगजेब के बेटे राइट मोहम्मद अकबर,
and there he had an ally named Muhammad Akbar, who was the son of Aurangzeb. And Aurangzeb and his son Muhammad Akbar were not in good terms. Because of that, Muhammad Akbar had formed an alliance with Mr. Mr.
So bad history.
Arishti is so bad.
Sorry guys,
Sorry,
sorry.
guys. So Shambhaji Maharaj went to Dicholi and asked for some troops for his army to fight the Portuguese and to reconquer this fort. So based on this friendship, Shambhaji Maharaj built a very nice dargah.
Not Darika.
Oh,
सो हुआ ऐसे कि जब संभाजी महाराज की और मोहम्मद अकबर की उन दोनों की इतनी अच्छी दोस्ती थी कि दोस्ती दोस्ती में संभाजी महाराज ने मोहम्मद अकबर के लिए बिचोलिम में, जो बिचोलिम है, वहाँ पे जाके एक अच्छा सा नमाज़गाह बना लिया उनके लिए एज अ गिफ्ट.
so this namazgah is right now a forbidden place. It's actually a historical place right now. So maybe in the next vlog we will try to visit namazgah in Bicholim. And so stay tuned and keep liking our vlogs.
जब बिचोलिम पहुंचने के बाद मोहम्मद अकबर ने अपने कुछ सिपाही इनको दे दिए जंग के लिए, और इतनी बड़ी जंग हो गई कि पोर्चुगीज जो थे उनको इतनी बुरी तरीके से वो वॉर चला, इतनी बुरी तरीके से उनको मारे कि वो जो पोर्चुगीज जनरल था वो तो भाग ही गया,
मैदान छोड़ के भाग गया.
हाँ, मैदान छोड़ के भाग गया. फिर वापस से यहाँ पे मराठों का, यानी जो संभाजी महाराज है, उनकी ही जीत हो गई, उनका ही कंट्रोल आ गया. सो एज यू कैन सी यहाँ पे शिवाजी महाराज का बहुत
ही अच्छा सा स्टैचू है.
यस.
एंड इस वॉर में बहुत सारे खून खराबा हुआ था.
हाँ,
एंड लॉट्स ऑफ ब्लड शेड, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट मोस्ट ऑफ द फोर्ट हैड बीन डैमेज्ड.
This is newly renovated.
Yeah. So right now what we are seeing is newly renovated, but it's quite a small fort, not a big fort. Not many tourists come here, but it's still a big part of our historical culture of our Goa. So we are going now to the next place, Safa Masjid, which was also built by Adil Shah, because Adil Shah was a big ruler of Goa before the Portuguese arrived. So let's move to Safa Masjid and see you there. Now we are going to the next place, and we have less time because we have to visit our friend. Our friend is also calling, so let's go there. And we are on the way to Safa Masjid, which is also a historical place. Great views, great garden there. I hope it is there. I've never been there, but I'd seen a photo in my house when I was very little of Safa Masjid. I used to always question my mother, where is this thing? But I never went to that place. So let's go to Safa Masjid. Bye. We have reached Safa Masjid in Ponda. तो चलो अंदर चलते हैं और देखते हैं कैसा है ये. So as you can see, we have just entered Safa Masjid, and you can see it's Government of India Archaeological Survey of India. It's a protected monument because this masjid was built by Adil Shah, and look at the lovely gardens here. You can see how beautiful this place is. बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. Look at the water down there. Masonry tank. I can see some fish inside. There is the mosque over there. It's quite an ancient mosque built by Adil Shah. Right now we are moving out from Safa Masjid. It's almost time to close the gate. They are telling us to go. So amazing place, you can see. Amazing view. Just feel so calm when you come over here. Just look at that. Amazing place. Amazing. So see you. Bye bye guys. I will now move to my friend's place to meet her. Meeting her after a long time. See you. Bye bye.